Hello guys, now that it's summer, I am going to teach you guys how to create a DIY fun. So we have our brother here to join in with us. So I am using colored paper for design. So yeah, let's first fold it like this. Make sure it is aligned very well. Go. And we are just going to keep folding it until it is smaller for us to use it. So fold number 8 and here we go. Fold number 4. Last fold. So make sure it is flat, just like so. Go. And then we are going to unfold it just like that. And we are going to keep folding it again, but outerly. So fold number 1, fold number 2, fold number 3, fold number 4, fold number 6, fold number 7, fold number 8, and fold number 9, fold number 10, fold number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 and 16. So that is 16 folds in total. Okay, so then we are going to fold it like that. Make sure it is flat. So there we go, just like this. There, like this. So let me fix that a little bit. Yeah, so here like this. And so now we are going to get another one like that, and we are going to get some piece of goma in Tagalog. Go. Okay, so after we do this, like a little bow tie, we are going to put some glue here so it can stick. Right here. And okay, so now it's done. Put those together. Go. We got one side done. Let's get this side done. So we will just continue to do those. Yep. There we go. Do that. There's one more here. Go and stick it just like so. Boom. There we go. So we are going to get the handle, which is 2 pieces of cardboard or anything hard that you can use. So let's put this here first. We are going to fold it like this. Boom. Oh, it's easing out with glue, but no worries. There we go. going. This one. Yun. So now we do this. Like that, and we'll let it dry a bit so we can just wait, I'll fix that, don't worry. So let's put more a little bit here because it wouldn't stick. Okay, so after we waited a few minutes and I think it's dried, so let's put it here. And voila! You have got yourself your own fan. You can also put it in your pocket or in your bag or anything you want. So if it's brown out, you can just use this. Just open it up and done. Just like that. See? Tune in next time. Bye!